Hello everyone, this is Venma. Today I'm going to talk about something super practical and life-saving in cloud. What to do when your EC2 instance crashes but your data is too valuable to lose. We will see how Amazon EBS helps us to rescue our data even when the virtual machine is completely gone. So here we go. So fast, what is an EBS volume? Just imagine it as an external hard drive for your EC2 instance. You can attach it, detach it, store data on it, and even move it to another instance if needed. And the best part, it survives even if your instance is deleted. We have different types: GP3, GP2 for general stuff, IO2, IO1 for if you want a high speed like databases, ST1, SC1 for cheaper large data like logs or archives. So why do we even need a second volume? Well, it's smart to keep your OS and your data separate. If the instance OS fails or gets corrupted, you don't want your data to go down with it. Also, backups become easier and you can recover your files faster. And also, if your root volume storage is getting filled, you can create a second volume, for instance. And let's say you want to add an extra volume to your Windows EC2. First, create a new volume in the same availability zone as your instance. If your instance crashed and you are launching a new one, make sure it is in the same availability zone as your EBS volume. Otherwise, you can't attach your instance. You can't attach your new volume to your instance. I don't mean you can't. Actually, you can, but it's add on more process to do. So create your volume in same availability zone where the instances are. So next is attach it from the EC2 console. Then inside Windows, open disk management, right click it, make the disk online. If it's a new disk, initialize and format it as NTFS. NTFS is nothing but is actually a file system. NTFS stands new technology file system. This is a main file system for formatting your new volume. So next is if it's a new disk, initialize and format it as NTFS. If it is an old volume with data, just assign a drive letter. Now you will see in this PC as a drive D or drive E. This drive letter is totally up to you. Okay. Now let's say you are attaching a volume that already has data on it. Here, you don't have to format it. Actually, you don't format it. Windows will usually detect the existing NTFS file system. All you need to do is bring it online and assign a drive letter. That's it, the data is still there. If you format it, you are erasing everything. So be careful. Now here is a big moment. Your EC2 instance crashes or gets terminated. Can you restart it? No. It's gone, right? But the good news, your EBS volume survives. Here what to do. Launch a new Windows EC2. Attach the old volume, bring it online, assign a drive letter, and just like that, all your files are back. This is why we call it disaster recovery in minutes. This slide shows what kind of situation you might face in disk management. If the disk management is offline, right click and bring it online. If it's unallocated, means it's a new format. It's a new volume. You need to format with the help of NTFS file system. And if it's healthy but has a no drive letter, right click the partition and assign one. If it shows NTFS and healthy, you are good to go. So next slide. Okay, conclusion. So in short, EBS is persistent, flexible, and super useful. Windows makes it easy to use. If you're saving your data on separate volume, recovery is simple. Just like an external hard drive, you need to handle it carefully. Plug it in safely, back it up regularly, and don't accidentally format it. Thank you.